Hey guys, it's Monday. I'm finally getting over my sickness. It's finally going away. The roof of my mouth doesn't hurt that much. I haven't been getting headaches lately. And the only thing that's been bothering me is just sneezing occasionally and my eyes getting really itchy, and that could just be from allergies. So I was contemplating working out today, but I think I'm going to deep clean instead. And that's because I haven't cleaned in quite a while because I got sick. I mean, the house isn't a hot mess, but it's a mess. You could literally dust one day and it'll be dusty the next day because we have drop down ceilings. But because I haven't cleaned in like a week, I've been keeping up with dishes, but I didn't do dishes yesterday because it was my day off basically, so I don't do anything when Zach's off. And so we have a lot of dishes to do, and my desk is a hot mess because I've been doing a lot of crochet projects, and I gotta work on my journal for the next month, and I gotta finish filming the living room cleanup and vacuum the living room and vacuum this room, the main room. There's a lot of things to do that I just been putting off to the side. I'll be honest, I've been putting it off to the side. I do have an appointment on Wednesday, an ultrasound for things that I can't tell you about, but I think I have an idea what the health problem is. Because the more I research it, the more it makes sense as to why that is the current possible diagnosis. And I'll tell you what the diagnosis is when I know for sure what it is. Because otherwise, I don't want to be like, this is what it could be and it be completely wrong. Here, give me a second to fix this camera. It's a little lopsided, and I just don't want that to happen because I don't like that. If I know the diagnosis of something, I'm gonna tell you. Unless if I have in the past I have done wrong and I misdiagnosed myself. That's why I don't like to do that anymore. I thought I was schizophrenic bipolar, which makes it schizoaffective, which I did not know about. I didn't know much about psychology back then. I just was trying to diagnose myself before seeing someone about it. I made mistakes back then, and I don't appreciate the fact that I made mistakes back then. Now I've been diagnosed fully, and I tell you guys about it all the time. So now I just need to, like I said, I need a deep clean. Other news that I have for you guys, I did buy the Story of Seasons Grand Bazaar game. It is not out yet. It's the 25th today. It comes out the 27th. But I was going to hold off buying it until like a little bit later in life because, I don't know, I just didn't want to buy it right away. But my Best Buy card is like, hey, I'm going to cancel out on the 13th of August if you don't buy something. Because I haven't used it in a year. So I was like, okay, I'll buy something. Because I want to keep my Best Buy cards in case my laptop just shits out on me. You never know when that's going to happen because it's an old laptop now. It's naughty. But you never know when it's going to shit out on me. And I like to use a laptop to write because it's portable. I can move it places. I like to keep my Best Buy card ready for that. Because I have like a good limit on it. I don't have like a great limit on it, but I have a good enough limit on it where I can buy a writing laptop instead of a gaming laptop like I originally did, which I have. I have a gaming laptop. I also have a gaming PC. But I don't need a gaming laptop anymore because I don't play games on my laptop anymore because it's old and it has issues. So now I play on my PC, and that's how things are now. I don't know how much I'm going to work out this week. It's going to be a busy week. Like I said, I need to clean today. It's a hot mess in here. I wanna clean everything because I was sick and I just want to wipe everything down with some bleach just to get the sickness out of the fucking house. Sorry for my language. Tomorrow I have to babysit. Wednesday I have an appointment. Thursday I might babysit again. Friday I have to babysit. So I'm babysitting like 3 days this week. So I'm not gonna be home. Like downstairs at least. I'll be home upstairs. I won't be home downstairs. So I won't be able to work out. So I'm going to try to keep my decifit? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Down, or at least where it's supposed to be while I'm not active as much as normal. I did poorly on Saturday. I did poorly yesterday. So I'm going to try to keep at it for the rest of the week. Saturday I usually try not to count my calories because we always make a big dinner at the end of the night, and my roommate usually makes cookies and stuff like that. too, and I don't want to be the only one not having a delicious cookie because she makes the best cookies. She does. And I just don't want to be out of that loop because then it's just torturing myself as everyone eats it around me, you know? Sunday, I did good up until nighttime, which nighttime always seems to be my problem time. Zach offered to make me meatballs with a mushroom gravy, and I was like, ugh, I shouldn't, but that sounds delicious, and he's gonna be eating it right next to me, so I said okay. So I went over by like 100 or 200 calories, which isn't that bad, I don't think, but it's bad enough for me, but like I'm not comfortable with this. Hey guys, I know it's a little bit darker than normal because the PC is off right now because I'm about to go babysit, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from my Best Buy buy. The game that I purchased. I bought the special edition so I would get the box set. I got some nice stuff with it. I knew what I was gonna get with it. I just wanted to show you guys anyways. But it arrived yesterday and Zach wanted to open it because he rarely gets to open boxes because he doesn't really exactly buy stuff that he gets to open because he usually just buys games online through Steam or something. So he doesn't really get to open stuff, so I let him just open it, and he went through it and everything like that. So that's why I didn't do it on camera. Okay, so first you get the game, which is Story of Seasons Grand Bazaar. I played a good chunk of it so far. Not like a chunk of it. I'm in the second week of the first season, spring, and it's really fun. So I'm enjoying it quite a bit. And this is the game, and you get a booklet. It's our art book. It looks like this. And it's very pretty. It shows like the town, the fields, clothes, people you get to marry, the furniture, houses, art, and everything like that, which is pretty nifty. I like getting stuff like that. And the box looks like this, by the way. And it's one of those nice, sturdy boxes, too. It's not one of those thin boxes you got with a couple of the first Story Seasons special edition boxes, which were very thin, and you just open them on the side and you pull the things out, and then it's just a flimsy box, but with the pictures in front of it like this. But it was just always flimsy. This one is like, this is not flimsy. You get, I think it's a sheep. Let me see, yeah, sheep plush. It looks like this. Here, I'll take it out with you. I don't got a lot of time, so I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. So sorry if I seem like I'm Russian. It looks like this. It's so soft. Like, that is so soft. Oh my god. I could just do this the entire time. Anyway, I'm gonna stuff this right here. And you get a, oh, what's it called? Like a wall art, but it's cloth, so you can wash if you need to. I have 2 of these, I think. I think I have 2. I know I have 1 for sure of Story of Seasons: A Wonderful Life, and I'm pretty sure I have Pioneers of Olive Town too. And this one is obviously for the Grand Bazaar. Sorry for all the noises. The children are up and running around. Basically the same thing that's on the box. And I'm going after this character right here, this male character. His name is Arata. And then we get a soundtrack. Which, look at the art on this. Look at the art on this. It is so pretty. I haven't opened it, and I don't plan on opening it because I don't think I have anything that I could play this on. Like, I tried playing this on my PS4. Not this particular one of the Story Seasons soundtracks. I tried playing on either the PS4 or the PS5, and it was like, cannot read. I'm like, it's a brand new CD. What do you mean you cannot read it? It's a CD. I want to try it on one or the other because I don't know which one I tried it on. So, who knows? But this box is worthy of keeping and using for something because it's such a nice box. It's hard to open though, so this is a little bit hard to open. Zach couldn't figure it out. I was like, you can open it from the front, I think. And the way I saw it is because of the lip right here. There's like a little triangle lip right here. You can't see it very well. And you just pull it open, and it kind of gives it a little tug, but it's a nice box. I'm sorry, I like the fact that it's a nice box. And that is all that was in the box on the game, which I showed you already. My ferret wants to get out of the cage, but I have to go up and babysit, so. I haven't been able to work out this week like I told you guys I wasn't planning on to because I was babysitting for a good chunk of the week. And I will not be babysitting tomorrow that I know of. I thought I was, but it is actually next week, Friday, that I'll be babysitting. So I might be able to work out tomorrow, and I'm thinking about it. But my calorie deficit has not been great this week. I've been going over. There was one day I went over by a lot because we have what we ate on Saturday was spaghetti, and we made a lot of leftovers, so the boys would have lunches for lunches and dinner for a couple of days in the week, so we wouldn't have to cook as much. That means I have to eat spaghetti too, because otherwise it's gonna go bad. And spaghetti and the sauce and everything like that, and everything you add into the sauce can make a lot of calories. And we also bought meatballs for protein, and Zach was the one who picked out the meatballs because he loves his meatballs. And it had a lot of calories just for 6 meatballs, and I'm like, I'm not gonna eat just 6 because they're so tiny. They're like this big. I'm like, no, I have to eat more than that. So I had like 10, and it was like some 450 calories or something like that. I'm like, that is a lot for 10 meatballs. What are these made of? Like, what is this that is so expensive in the calorie deficit genre? I was not happy. But I went over one day, I'll buy a lot, and I haven't made up for it since because I haven't been doing anything. I've been babysitting, and I eat ramen when I babysit because I don't want to cook a meal up upstairs when it gets really warm upstairs. So I don't want to cook too much, so I just make ramen, which is very quick and very fast to make. I mean, I already said quick, so I don't know why I said fast. It's very fast to make, so it was not hard for me to just quickly boil it up and get it out of there and not heat up the entire house, because it gets hot upstairs. Although this week has been very, not warm, but like moderately decent in weather condition, coolness. So my calorie deficit hasn't been good, so I'm not expecting a good number on Saturday, but that's gonna change today. I gotta write down everything I've eaten today. I forgot to do that. I might as well do that after I get off the camera because I don't have much time. I have to go up there in 15 minutes. But I will log in my calories. I ate a nectarine, which is like 60 calories, 62 calories. I had a bowl of cereal of the honey oat nut cereal. It's the generic version of honey nut cereal, and some almond milk, and I had a coffee without my collagen this time because I haven't been feeling good lately, and I'm like, I don't want to do extra work that I have to do if I don't need to. So my sinus infection feels like it's gone away, but instead of it being a sinus infection, I just feel like I have a regular cold now. Because my nose is dripping a lot in the back of my throat. It's gross, I know. And what else? I just been getting upset stomachs, so not bad headaches. I got a headache last night, but I went to sleep, so I didn't take anything for it. And the roof of my mouth hasn't been hurting. So my sinus infection, I think, is gone. I just am dealing with the after facts of whatever is left, you know? That happens. And that's all. So I'm gonna go upstairs, probably with my Switch, because the baby will be asleep for most of the time that my roommate's gonna be gone, and I'll be watching the 2 oldest girls who are usually just watching TV or playing games, so I can play games at the same time, basically. I'm trying to think what else I need to tell you guys. I've been working on a lot of crochet projects. I haven't been showing you because some people that I'm making these crochet projects for watch this channel, so I can't show you guys. But I can show you the ones I've made for my mom so far, which are these. I finished the 3rd one. It's just not, the ends are not sewed in yet, so it just has like little strands hanging from it. I forgot to, where's the leaf? Oh, there it is. I was like, where's the vine thing? The little green thing that's right here. I have to sew these on, which I can do later. And then I have to make a 4th one, because I believe that coasters come instead of 4s for some reason. Am I the only one who thinks that? I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I am going to go, because my camera's dying. It's 10 minutes in the vlog so far of this part of this vlog, although it's going to be cut a little bit. And I have to go babysit, so I'll see you tomorrow or Saturday. 162.2, taken off 0.2 pounds for the camera. It is 162, taken off from 163 from last week. no, it was 163.4, wasn't it? I didn't write it down. And I had to take off 0.2 pounds for that, so that was 163.2. So technically it's 1 pound and 1.2 pounds. Sorry that I look really close to the camera. I'm trying to make it so you can actually hear me clear enough. I just woke up from sweating and having a runny nose and needing to go to the bathroom all at once. And it was just horrible. It's currently 6:37 in the morning. Zach's still asleep, and I have to wake him up in like an hour to go to work, so I figured I'd stay up. What's the point of going to sleep if I'm gonna be sweating and stuff like that? So I want to try to get some work done, play a little bit of game to try to wake myself up, and work on this vlog as well. So thank you for watching this week's vlog. Sorry it's not very entertaining this week. And see the fact that I have lost weight when I haven't been doing my calorie deficit for most of the days of this week. I haven't been working out this week either because I haven't been feeling good through sinus issues, feeling sick, runny noses, and also babysitting a lot this week. And when I babysit, I sit on the couch basically, so I'm not doing much. And I ate a lot of ramen this week, so I'm like, I lost weight? What? Well, okay. I'm not complaining, I'm just confused. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go because I got a list of things to do today. I might as well get started now. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful day.